Yeah, I love my kitchen. I love it. I stand in there and I just twirl around and I'm like, I love my kitchen. I found them on Thumbtack, and it was a intuition, really. I liked Tomer. I liked him. I liked, he was responsive. He got me the quote right away. He worked with me on the pricing, and I just thought he was quality. So, and I was right. I felt confident in Verified Builders. The communication was spot on. The quality is spot on. I don't know, if you look at the photos, you could see for yourself that everything is really top-notch. I don't have any complaints about the quality of the work. Nothing is spotty or half-assed. It's a really top quality. The biggest challenge was actually trying to figure out the design I wanted, the layout of the kitchen, who I wanted to go with. Everybody had a different idea. Picking a team that I felt confident in. There was no delays on their part. I would totally recommend them. There's plenty of communication. They did a great job. There was someone always here, always working with me. I knew the time frame of next steps, when the electrician was coming, when the plumber was coming, when there was going to be the drywall team, when the appliances were going in, when the tile was getting done. So I felt really, comfortable with the whole process. Lots of communication and, really great job. I would definitely recommend them.